Hey everybody, welcome to the Your Life Blueprint Sound Vibrations. If you enjoy these videos, please share them. Spread the good vibes around. And if you would like to make a contribution, that's also very much appreciated. Thank you very much. Today is Sunday, and Sunday is the day of the integrative personality. It's all embracing, universal. Sunday is a universal day, right? It takes in everything. It doesn't just see a little part. It also doesn't judge. It's open to what other people decide to do for themselves. You decide to do what you feel is right for you, and you also allow others to do what they feel is right for them, because you're not them, and they're not you. You can't decide what's best for someone else. Only they know inside, just like only you know inside what is right for you. That's because we have different blueprints. And someone who has this, especially this integrative in the spiritual area, they automatically know this, and they're doing it all the time. Live and let live, basically, is their motto. No judgment. You don't want to do this? Okay. I'll do what I think is right for me. So one of the people who has this spiritually, making him a Surya yogi or an integrative yogi, is Paul McCartney. There he is on my shirt with the other Beatles. Also Leonard Cohen, Janis Joplin. The interval of the day is the octave, and this instrument, the tambura, plays the octave very well, also the fifth, but mostly the octave. And another person who had this spiritually was the great Mr. Rogers from Mr. Rogers' Neighborhood, Fred Rogers. So I'm going to read from him. I'm also going to play the tambura. You can burn some saffron incense today. Put on some bright sunny colors, even if it's not bright and sunny outside, which here today it's not. Music has given me a way of expressing my feelings and my thoughts, and it has also given me a way of understanding more about life. For example, as you play together in a symphony orchestra, you can appreciate that each musician has something fine to offer. Each one is different. And you each have a different song to sing. When you sing together, you make one voice. That's true of all endeavors, not just musical ones. Finding ways to harmonize our uniqueness with the uniqueness of others can be the most fun and the most rewarding of all. How to harmonize your uniqueness with the uniqueness of others. As different as we are from one another, as unique as each one of us is, we are much more the same than we are different. That may be the most essential message of all, as we help our children grow toward being caring, compassionate, and charitable adults. One of the mysteries is that as unlike as we are, one human being from another, we also share much in common. Our lives begin the same way, by birth. The love and interdependence of parents and children is universal. And so are the many difficulties parents and children have in becoming separate from one another. As we grow, we laugh and cry at many of the same things, and fear many of the same things. At the end, we all leave the same way, by death. Yet, no two threads, no two lives in that vast tapestry of existence have ever been or ever will be the same. No two threads, no two lives in that vast tapestry of existence have ever been or ever will be the same. I connect with the integrative vibration in my blueprint. I connect with the integrative vibration in my blueprint. I connect with the integrative vibration in my blueprint. I connect with the integrative vibration in my blueprint. Be as open-minded as you can today. Strive to see the big picture.